Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Are you my new subscribers? You are welcome. My old subscribers that always come back to watch my video, I said thank you. May God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I cook my coconut rice. In front of you are the ingredients. I will be using 1 cup of crayfish, but by the time I remove the dirt, it will not be up to 1 cup. I have seasoning, bay leaf, fresh pepper, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion. I have spices here, black pepper, white pepper, curry. This is coconut milk. I have ginger, I have garlic, I have oil to fry my tomatoes. You can use coconut oil if that is what you prefer. I have my smoked catfish. So right now, let's start cooking. As we are waiting for the oil to hot a little, there's something I want to show you. Remember the crayfish I measured was 1 cup, and I told you I'm going to select the dirt. So from 1 cup to half cup, this is half cup. I remove the dirt. Now it's half cup of crayfish. Let me show you the dirt, some of the dirt anyway. You see that? Look at the dirt I removed from the crayfish. That's why I like buying crayfish and grind it by myself. And that half cup, even if you are cooking 1 kilo of rice, that half cup is still enough. Okay, the ingredients I showed you is okay for 1 kilo of rice. The only thing you should add is coconut milk. So I want to start frying the onion. I'm using olive oil. I don't want it to overheat. So here is my onion. I'm using a lot of onion. Thyme, white pepper, garlic, ginger, black pepper, curry, paprika. Let's stir. I showed you 3 seasoning cubes when I was introducing my ingredients, but I want to use 2 first. The aroma already, oh my god, it's already smelling nice. Just allow it to fry for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's time to add the tomatoes. Look at the pepper I'm using. I don't want it to be spicy. My children will say, "Mommy, the food is delicious with pepper." Here's my fish. I've already washed it. I'm going to reduce the heat and cover the pot. As we are waiting for the stew to cook, I'm going to wash the rice. The reason I lower the heat is because I don't want the tomatoes to burn. Secondly, I want the fish to release its flavor, its sweetness, its deliciousness into my stew. So that is why I lower the heat. Please don't just watch this video and forget about this recipe. No, try this recipe. Okay, remember that day your husband said fried rice again, or he said jollof rice again. So you can surprise him with this delicious coconut rice. You can use that fish I showed you. I think it's catfish, but dried one, or you call it smoked catfish or whatever. You can use that fish. You can use roasted chicken. Yeah, to give it another delicious flavor. So just try it, cook it for your family, and come and leave me a comment below this video, please. If you have been watching this video since you have not subscribed, please now subscribe to my channel. After subscribing, click on the notification bell. The reason for that, it is because so that when I upload a new video, YouTube will notify you that Tonia Kitchen and More just uploaded a video. Please like this video, help me share, and God bless you. Right now, I'm going to remove the fish. I don't want the fish to scatter in it. Then I will add the green and red bell pepper. And I'm not going to cook it. Just stir it. That's all. The same pot, I'm just going to, I'll pour my rice, coconut milk. I'm going to rinse the cup with some water. Bay leaf. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon butter. If you know the reason I added this butter, let me know at the comment section. And if you don't know, you want to know, still let me know at the comment section. I will answer you, okay? Then I will add water. I'm still going to add a little water because I did not parboil my rice. In case you parboiled your rice, this water is enough for your rice. I'm adding the last cube and cover it. I allowed the rice to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to add the stew. Now it's time to add the crayfish. This time around, let it be on a low heat. The rice is still very hard. Look at it. It's still very hard. It's not cooked at all. So I'm going to cover it. You can see. Cover it and let it cook on a low heat. Please, if you have watched this video to this time, subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please help me share this video. Prepare this food for your family. I tell you, this coconut rice is special. Go and search it on YouTube. You will not find it there. You can't find it there. If you say I'm joking, go and look for it on YouTube, whether you will see it there. This one is special one. Special. You may see the one that look like, or you may see the one that is almost the same like this one, but you will never see exactly this one. Only my own. For that, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment below and share this video. My rice is ready. It's dried. It's ready. It's dried. It's ready. You see that? Do you see that your mealistic coconut rice? This smoked catfish took this rice to another level. I am telling you. If you see the aroma is extra super. My coconut rice is ready to be served. Look at that. So yummy, so delicious. The taste is excellent. Thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Cook this food. I am telling you, this coconut rice, cook it. Don't just watch it and forget about it. Come back, watch it again, and do it exactly the way I did it. Okay? Thanks for watching my video. God bless you. Bye bye. I would like to see you on my next video. Ciao.